Once you get the permission to view this repository, you will have the permission to view this documentation page as well. I already cloned this repository and run it in the local, and I have set up the environmental variables here. So if you go to our documentation and click the getting started, to work with the WhatsApp Cloud API, we need to follow step 1 to 6. And I have set up the environmental variables, and I am getting the message as server is running on port number 5001. In this demo, we are going to see how we can create Uber bot in WhatsApp. This is a bot we are going to build in this demo. So I just sent hi. So after I send the hi, it will send a message as welcome to Uber pickup location. So I choose the send location, and now currently I am going to share my current location. So now I am getting another message as to get the drop location. I just click the drop location, and I just click this send this location. After I send this location, I am getting one information, pick your vehicle. So I just click this vehicle list. So here car, tuk and motorbike. So currently I am going to choose the tuk. So now I have received the information about my booking. So that's all guys, and this is a demo we are going to develop. So you can see this is the idea. Passengers send any hi message to the Uber bot, and Uber bot is asking welcome to Uber, and we need to share the pickup location. So once we share the pickup location, then it will asking the drop location, then that will show the available vehicles and prices. So this is a list of messages. So here we need to choose what kind of service we are going to use, car or tuk or motorbike or whatever. So once we select the vehicle, then we will get the information about the pickup, drop price, vehicle number and the arrival time, and the cancel button. So customer can cancel this service, and that's all. Now the time to find the suitable message type for this bot creation. We are requesting a user location. So this one and this one for requesting a user location, and this one we are showing a list of messages, and this one is for the template. So I am going to the documentation, and you can see if you scroll down something called message types. Just click the message types. So message types contains all the available message types in the WhatsApp Cloud API. First we need to request a location. To request a location, you can see to be. So this is how we are requesting a location from the user using the Cloud API. And in the 3a, this is how we are showing a list of messages in the WhatsApp Cloud API. Now we will copy the function for requesting the location. So it is 2b. So you can see 2a and 2b requesting a location. I just click this one, and this is how we are requesting a location, and they have clearly mentioned we need to put this function in the API handler. So I just copy this one, and I go to my code and expand the util and API handlers. I paste it here. 3a for sending a single list message. So I just click 3a. This is a function for sending the single list message. I just copy this one and go to the code, and I paste it. In the third message type is a template. So I already create a template. You can see I have mentioned 5 parameters. So pickup, drop price, vehicle number, arrival time, and moreover it's having one button, that's for quick reply. Now we will create a request for this template. So I am going to the documentation, and you can see something called templates. In the templates, test in Postman. So I copy this one, and I open my Postman, and I'm going to clone this one. I just click duplicate, and after I duplicate this one, I click the body, and I Control A and Control V. They have commented template name here. My template name is test1. So I just paste it here, and the language is English US, so I can keep it as it is. And the components, in the components they have mentioned place all required header, body and button component objects here. I just delete this one. In the header we are having an image, so in the header we are having an image. So there are two ways we can send the images. One is using the link, another one is using the ID. So in this case we are going to send the image using the link. I copy this one and I paste it here, and I put the comma, and I just click beautify. Second one is a body. So body having 5 variables. I just click here, click the body. If it contains more than one parameter, you should be add like this. In my case, my template containing the 5 variables. So I just paste it like this and put a comma and again click the beautify. This is 3, I want more 2. I just copy and I paste it here. I have modified the variables for the body parameter, and after that there's a one button. That button type is a quick reply. So again go to the templates, and here in the button you can see quick reply. I just click this one and I just copy this one and go to this postman and paste it here, and again I need to click the beautify, and you can change the payload as well. So in this case my payload is cancel. Now I have created a postman request for my created template. So I just click send. You can see I'm getting the success code 200. Meanwhile I receive the message in my mobile. That's exactly look like this with a different image. So once it's working fine in the postman, then time to replace this request in our code. So I'm going to the documentation again, and you can see in the top request boilerplate. So I just copy this one, go to my boilerplate and API handlers in the bottom. I paste it here. Function name, I am going to name this one as send book template message, and here in the template name test1, and language is English US. That's fine. So while copying the components from the documentation, you can see there's another option for copying for the API handler. So what I want to do is I want to copy this one and paste it in this code base. So I have done this one. Now our request for sending the template messages is ready. This full tutorial available in our bot strategy documentation. The time you are watching this video, you can able to buy this boilerplate code in this website. So let's see the final video. In right side I have opened the WhatsApp bot, so which I created. So I just send a hi message. So after I send the hi message, instantly I am getting welcome to Uber and pickup location. So now I am going to choose the button. You can see I am going to choose this button, send location button. So after I choose the send location button, there something is coming to share the current location. But if I hide this one, I can able to ping the exact location. But in my case, I am going to share my current location. I just click the first option. Okay, I have completed the first option. Secondly, I am getting please share your drop location. So here I am going to choose the drop location. I just choose the drop location and I just hide this one, and after that I can able to go to this location. Over the button you can see I am going to click this over the button, this one I am going to click here. I am using iPhone, that's what its UIs look like different. I just click this one. So currently I have sent the drop location. So now I got pick your vehicle powered by botstrategy.com. So I just choose the vehicle list, right? I am going to choose the vehicle list. So once I choose the vehicle list, I can see so car 150, took 100 and motorbike is 50. So likewise it's showing all the information, and I just choose the took, the second option, and I just click send. So after I send this one, so currently I have received pickup first param, second param, because you know why we are getting this kind of first param, second param, third param. In that API handler we have put the names as like this, right? First param, second param and third param. So anyhow we have achieved the exact thing. I hope you love this video, and please make sure to subscribe the channel, and thank you so much.